You can do it.
Baby. Oh, you're a big guy. Come on, Jess. Come on, do it. Now, Jesse, I give you.
Is that fun? He's just looking at the camera like, yeah, see him showing up on the camera now. Well, get mommy now.
Look at me, Mom.
We got it hooked ourselves.
Free. It's funny though, because he can step out for quite a ways before he comes back. But he got after the dogs, and it was funny. It was so funny when he got after the dogs. And he just giggled and giggled.
Hi. How far did he go?
No, well, just probably as far as the cord, but it still has quite a ways with that.
Go home. Go home. Go home.
Tell her.